You're a new content creator and you're using OBS Studio free screen recording software and you want to look and sound your best. We all do. Well, I'm going to give you some beginner settings that will put you on the right path in under 3 minutes. Click Settings, go to Output. The mode up top is set for simple. You can leave it there as a beginner. Streaming is all presets. Today we're talking about recording. So down in recording, the first thing you want to do is browse to the location that you want to save your recordings. Select it, click OK, and that's where your recordings will be. Recording quality, I keep set for high quality medium file size because the other options produce large files. The recording format, I've got hybrid MP4. The hybrid MP4 was introduced by OBS around version 30 or so. It helps prevent the file from becoming corrupt. The video encoder, my hardware is Intel, so I've got QSV H.64. If you have NVIDIA, you'll have some selections for NVIDIA. If you just don't know, select Software X264. The audio encoder, AAC, is a default. I've left it there and haven't moved it. All right, let's take a look at audio. For audio, go to Desktop Audio, go to the drop down, and just select the speakers that your sound is coming out of. For your microphone, go to the drop down and select the microphone you're using. Click on Video. The base canvas resolution should be equal to your monitor's native resolution. Your output scaled resolution may be different. I got lucky with this computer. They're the same. I get good output. If it's different, you'll have to use a downscale filter like I did in this example with another computer. Your frames per second value should be 30 or 60 depending on the capabilities of your computer. 60 if possible. When you play back your recording at 60 FPS, if you get any lag at all, just go to the drop down, change it to 30, click OK, and you'll be good. If you want more videos like this that answer the questions you have without wasting your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.